Welcome to Liangjiang channel. Titanium dioxide is a star pigment in waterborne paints. It's the key player for achieving opacity, which is all about making the paint cover surfaces evenly. It also pumps up the whiteness and brightness of the paint. But here's the catch: its performance rides on how well it disperses within the paint formula. Dispersibility, put simply, is the ability of titanium dioxide particles to break down and spread uniformly throughout the water-based paint medium. When it's on point, the particles are evenly spread out, creating a nice, homogeneous mixture. This is the golden ticket for consistent paint quality. Opacity is a make or break factor in waterborne paints. A well-dispersed titanium dioxide supercharges the opacity of the paint. Color quality is another area where the dispersibility of titanium dioxide wields a big influence. When titanium dioxide is well dispersed, it ensures that the colorants in the paint are evenly distributed. This leads to vibrant, consistent colors. See you in next video.